Hi children, good morning. Children, today I came to teach you something. Can you guess? Yes, already we learned in previous class. What are those Letters, letter A and B. And we will do an activity on B letter. Okay? Before that, now let's see. We will read the letter as well as the sound. Okay children? Now say, what is this letter? Yes, this is letter A. Say all of you, capital A. And this one? Yes, small a. Now we'll see what are the strokes we use to write the letter E. Now let's see. This is left slanting line. And this one? Right slanting line. And there is a sleeping line. Yes, this is capital A. E sounds, children. Yes, E sound A. Say all of you, A sound A. Now see, what is next? Yes, this is small a. What is this? Small a. Here, see what is the curve we used to write? Yes, this is left curve, standing line. And here, down curve. Okay, this is small a. So, small a also sound the same. What is the sound, children? Yes, a. What is the sound? A sounds A. Say once again, A. Very good. What is this letter? Capital A. And this one? Small a. A for apple. A for ant. A for astronaut. Very good. Good children. What is the next letter after A? Which letter comes after A, children? Can you tell me? Yes. This is letter. You're right. This is letter B. What is this letter, children? Yes, this is letter B. And we'll do an activity on B. Okay? Now, let's recap. Now, see what are the strokes we write for letter B, children. Now, standing line and right curve and right curve. This is letter B. Letter B, capital B. There is a sound for B. Can you tell me? Yes, B, 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 B. Yes, B sounds B. Say all of you. B sounds B. And what is this? Next. Yes, this is also B but not same. This is small b. This is small b. What is this, children? Small B. What are the strokes we used? See, standing line. Standing line. You need to start from the middle of the standing line. Right go. Towards down. Start in the middle. Towards down of the standing line. Yes, you need to touch the standing line and write the right curve. This is small b. Say capital B and small b. See, what is the sound of B, children? Tell me. Yes, B sounds B. Say all of you, B sounds B. Yes, children, we learned A and B. And we will do the activity. Okay, are you all ready? Now let's see. We will do the activity. Okay, ready, children? Wait, I will show the activity. Okay children, now we will do the activity. This is capital B and small b. For this we need any color sheet. I took here blue color and see glue bottle. Okay, now we need to tear this paper into small pieces. Now I am tearing this paper first in straight. See, now I will tear this into small pieces. See, like this. You need to tear and keep aside. Okay? Okay, children? Like this. Slowly you need to tear. Okay, children? Now keep aside. After turn, you need to keep aside. Okay, like this. All the papers. Okay. Okay, children. Like this, you need to take small pieces. Okay. Now, see. Now, what you do? See, I turn all the papers and kept ready. See, there is a standing line. I am putting glue on the standing line as it drops. See, putting glue drops on the letter B, capital B. Like this, you need to keep the drops of glue. Then, see, I am taking these small paper pieces and keeping like this on the B, letter B. Okay, children. Small pieces we have to tear and keep it on the letter B. Okay, children. Here dropping here also. Children, you all need to tear small pieces and you need to keep it on the letter B. You need to get the printout of letter B, or you can write on any A4 sheet. Okay, children. See, what is this? This is capital B. Okay, now we will see small b. See, like that, you need to keep the glue drops on the small b. Okay, children, like this. Like this on the outline of the small b. Okay, now tear small pieces. Again, keep it on small b. Say and keep, children, while doing the activity. You need to say which letter you are doing. This is small b. Say standing line, right curve, small b. Okay, children, tear small pieces of papers and keep it on the small b. Okay, like this, evenly, slowly you need to do the activity. Okay, children, very good. This is small b. What is this? Small b. Now see, children, capital B and small b ready. Bye, children.